In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on autosaving in Google AI Studio. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have autosave enabled so your prompts and experiments are captured automatically without you having to remember to click Save. Start by opening Google AI Studio and landing on the home page. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use. If you manage multiple accounts, like a personal account and a work or school account, confirm that the one shown in the top corner is the right one for your projects. Your layout may vary slightly depending on updates, but you'll be looking toward the left-hand sidebar where the main navigation lives. On that left sidebar, find the option labeled Enable Saving. It typically appears near the top alongside your workspace navigation. Click Enable Saving. As soon as you do, a prompt will appear asking you to choose the account where your data will be saved. Select the appropriate account for your needs, personal if this is for your own projects, or your organization account if you're working under a team or workspace. If you're asked to grant permissions, review them and continue. That's all there is to it. Once enabled, autosaving works quietly in the background. New chats, prompts, and experiments will start saving to your selected account as you go, which means you can close your browser or switch devices and pick up right where you left off. If you don't see the Enable Saving option, it may already be turned on. In that case, you'll typically notice a status or indicator confirming that saving is active. You can also try resizing the window or expanding the sidebar to reveal hidden labels. Here are a few quick tips to make the most of it. If you regularly switch accounts, take a moment to double check which one is active before you begin a new session. That way, all your work ends up in the right place. If you work in a managed environment, remember that your organization's policies may apply to saved content. So choose the account that matches your privacy and collaboration needs. And if a prompt doesn't appear after you click Enable Saving, ensure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups or sign-in dialogues, then try again. That's it. Autosaving is now on in Google AI Studio. With this setup, you can explore, iterate, and experiment, knowing your progress is captured automatically. Thanks for watching and happy building.